So here we have a simple stair, and just to show you that the production view can be viewed in 3D. So we see here the left stringer, and we see the right stringer, and we can see the threads. So also if I go now and double click on these threads, and we make this 1 inch thick, and pretty much you see here is instantly changed. So if I double click on this and I say I want to change to a different radius, let's say full radius and 3/8 in the back. So we're going to see the same thing here, full radius and 3/8 in the back. So everything is interactively linked. So because it's the same 3D model, it's automatically changed towards that. So in case I would, for instance, go to another model, this is a house stringer with the pockets, and right side we have a cut stringer. And here you see we have some return nosings and the threads. So just to have a glimpse that Staircon will have all these views, inclusive the production view, interactively linked with 3D solids. So these are real solids, and it's all linked to the same model.